Hi everybody, Tony Sparrow here from the Warren's Occult Museum again. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Annabelle. No, not the real Annabelle, but the Annabelle from the movies. This is the movie doll right here. The Annabelle creation, the Annabelle Comes Home, and the Annabelle movie doll. Now there were variations of the doll made, remember, for the movies. And some iterations of the doll are scarier than others. This is just one iteration of that doll. I'll go in close so you can see. There's her eyes, and of course, crackly little eyes, ugly looking. And there's a rose on her. Here's her hands, one of her hands. I'll back up a little bit so you can see her. I'm trying to hold the light at the same time. That is the Annabelle doll. From Annabelle, the movie, and Annabelle Creation, and Annabelle Comes Home. Now, a lot of you guys don't really know it, but on the Annabelle Comes Home movie, it was about Judy, my wife, being harassed by objects in the museum. And if anybody saw Annabelle Comes Home, they know that there was a young boy in the movie named Anthony, and that was supposed to be a little nod to me. Of course, I didn't know Judy when we were just little babies, but we're kids. But it was a little nod to me from the producers to use the name Anthony in the movie. That was bothering and playfully scorching Judy. So that's just a little Easter egg for you guys to know about. But that's her. That's the Annabelle doll from the movies. Okay, I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to try to hold this light a little bit better and sign off right now. Thank you.